Flamingo chef, show us what you got with cocktails and dishes that hit the sweet spot.
Hi guys, Bill the Kansas Flamingo chef. This is an episode about the bar, but it takes place in the kitchen. The most sought after triple sec in the United States is called Cointreau. And it's really expensive. A bottle of Cointreau runs around $50, generally where I live. But did you know you can make your own? And it's really simple, and it doesn't take very much time. Well, it takes some time, but it doesn't take much effort. So all you need is sugar, a container, some oranges, 3 to 4, bay leaves, something to peel oranges with, something to measure sugar with, and a fifth of vodka. And it really doesn't even matter what kind of vodka you use. I wouldn't use a really expensive vodka for this because you're just making a liqueur. So this is a bottle of New Amsterdam vodka. I got this at the local liquor store for like $12. So instead of spending 50 some odd dollars, we're going to have about maybe $2 worth of oranges, 20 cents worth of bay leaves, maybe 20 cents to 50 cents worth of sugar, and $12 of vodka. So all you have to do this, you're going to need 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 2 bay leaves, oranges, but you're only going to use the peels, and a fifth of vodka. So the first thing we have to do is peel these oranges. When I say the peels, I do mean the peels. I don't want the inside rind, and I don't want the orange. All I'm going to do is just shave this off and throw that in to my container. And just do that until you get these oranges peeled. Once you've got all your oranges peeled, I'm not going to throw them away. I'll eat them. I'm going to make sure all those peels are here in this bucket. We're going to add 2 bay leaves. To that, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of sugar. The last thing to do is dump in a fifth of vodka. Like I said before, I'm just using New Amsterdam. Now you notice I put the sugar in first. That way I can actually use the vodka to dissolve the sugar a little faster. That's all that goes in here. We'll give it a little mix and let that sugar dissolve as much as possible. So this is day 1, step 1. Once you've got your sugar dissolved, put your top on this, and this is going to go into a cool, dry place, preferably dark, for about 30 days. About once a week, you're going to stir this. Be ready to put it in a bottle and make our own homemade Cointreau. Stay tuned. So, you recognize this? Well, of course you do. You saw it seconds ago. I haven't seen it for a few weeks. Now, it's been in the jug for right at 30 days. Now, I will tell you one thing I did not record. At 1 week, I peeled a lemon and put those lemon peels in here just like the orange peels. Now, I can tell by looking at this, the peels are really broken down. And it's got an orange hue to the liquid. I have no doubt how good this is going to be. And for that reason, it's going to look really pretty in this Flamingo decanter. So what I'm going to do, put a funnel in here and a strainer because I don't want the orange peels. And I'm just going to strain this into my decanter. Oh, what a beautiful color. Absolutely beautiful color. Look at all of that. All right. That is really a pretty color. The smell of this is absolutely amazing. It honestly smells better than store-bought Cointreau. You get that orange and a little bit of lemon, and there's an herbal essence to it, which of course is coming from the bay leaves. So let's see what it tastes like. Oh my goodness. Now, I wouldn't be one to normally just pour myself a glass of Cointreau and sit and drink it, but that's an amazing cordial. I can't wait to use this in a margarita. In fact, I'm going to do that here in just a moment. This was not difficult. It was very inexpensive, and the end result is just incredible. Hopefully you saw my 2 videos I did in the interim about making your own rum chata and also making Godiva style chocolate liqueur. I'm going to do some more of these because it was by request that I do these to begin with, but this one, that's a keeper. Now, obviously it takes a little more time than the other 2 that can be done in 24 hours. So this takes a month, but wow, what an end result and what a great finished product. Till the next one, cheers, eat fabulous, and if there's something you'd like me to opine on or do a video about or make, all you gotta do is drop me a line, bill@kansasflamingochef.com. Visit my website, kansasflamingochef.com. And of course, until next time, drink and eat fabulous.
In the heart of Kansas, under sky so clear, lives a chef with a flair, bringing folks some cheer. With a pinch of love and a dash of zest, he's the Kansas Flamingo, and his meals are the best.